Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. I just made a painting instead of a background. I need a background. I need my glasses. That is a 10 by 20 inch canvas and I'm going to be working without my glasses. No, there they are! Cool! Oh. Okay, sorry for the long introduction. I'm going to try and keep my colors really simple. I'm going to try and use colors that will come out of bottles. And I'm going to try and keep my tweezers handy for lumps. There we go. Who knows what this is going to be like. That's some Arteza Golden Hour, and I want to play with it in the mixture. I got some jewel tones from Arteza, and I'm ready to play with them soon. Not in the way. That orange is going to take right over if I'm not careful. This might be really fast. Sorry I'm quiet. It's taking me more focus to see what I'm doing for a potential background that's not really background even yet so far. But I do seem to have gotten the right amount of paint on my canvas, and I am keeping my colors fairly well. So I'm probably just gonna make this the shortest video in the world. Yeah, that orange and the blue is not a good idea together, so I'm gonna wipe off my spatula and move a little bit back here. Fast painting. And I'm thinking maybe a little tiny bit of red in there, a smidge, might be okay. That, and get that little thing out of there. So I'm not sure what's going to go on top of this. It's kind of pretty just the way it is. I know you've heard it before. I like the red. Gotta go less than you think, because you're basically just smearing it. I don't know where those lumps are coming from. I'm not liking them. I mean, they definitely make it look more organic, but so I think gold. I think I want some gold in there, or some blue. I don't know what I want in there. I think my favorite color is coming to mind, so I'm just going to do that. See if we can get away with it. That is the Purple Flash from Folk Art. Color shift. Never did put any gold in there. And like I said, it's a background. So, check my other videos out. There's 1,600 of them. I don't think I'm going to do anything else to this right off that I can. Maybe just a little bit more orange right down the edge, so I can cover that side. Just a little dribble. Tap it with a spatula until you see the canvas is gone, and you're pretty well on your way to being covered. The rest of it, well, this end is orange too, so the rest of it I can definitely cover because the colors are pretty pure. So, background 101, not sure if it's a really good background or not. Use a little bit more of that golden hour. There we go. Use up the rest of the paint right down on the end. Say thank you for all the contributions and wonderful comments that help keep me painting all this time. You guys boost my morale and you keep me here. Thank you so much. Check out my Amazon link. If you shop there, it's a help to me and it's at no added cost to you. And you can find my 2 books and the OXO omelet turning spatula there. So I will look forward to not making you suffer while I fix up my edges. I liked it better than before I fixed it. Alright. I like the purple flash over the orange more than I can tell you, and you can tell that because I'm just going to town adding it. I think I could do it everywhere and be pretty happy. And if you have a really light touch, you can, it's a lot less risky. It's worth it getting used to the spatula. I don't think there's any perfection in it. I got spots everywhere. There, there, there. Whoops. Well, I don't mind that. Like I said, it's a background. So this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and I am going to touch up my edges and call it good. So thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. I hope that there's going to be a part 2 for this. It could sit in my studio for a while, but hopefully by the time I post it, I'll have something else to post with it, and we'll see what happens. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Check under the link tree for Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links. Check under the video for my recipe, my paint pouring recipe. And what else? What else? What else? Questions are okay, so ask me what you want. Look on the community board for tomorrow's video. Look for Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for Students, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Fans and Collectors to see what the edited artworks are added to the albums there. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More is for anybody who wants to shop what I've added my designs to. There's all kinds of merch. And everything is a big help. Look for the exhibition video on the end screens of any video if you want to be eligible to win a painting by being a contributor to the studio to help keep me making videos. And PayPal or Patreon are the ways to go. I prefer PayPal, and you will automatically be entered if you decide to do that when I see the email confirmation of that happening. So I told you guys to take care of each other. I'm going to see you and on. Bye for now. Priscilla out.